Kiddzera. Today we're going to draw a cute monkey. First, let's draw a shape like number 3. Then let's draw a small number 3 like this. Now let's draw another little 3 shape. It's the monkey's ear. Now let's draw his face like this. Next we're going to draw his eyes and his mouth. Let's complete his body now. Looks cute already. Let's give him 2 hands as well. Let's continue. Now let's draw 2 legs. Oh. Let's not forget his tail. It's so long. Yay! We've a cute monkey now. Look kids, it's moving. It's so fun. Are you happy, my kids? Now it's time to color our little monkey. First, let's color its head. Let's use light brown on his head. Then let's color its face using light pink. Let's color its ear in light pink. Now it's time to color our monkey's body. Let's color the body in light brown. Then let's color its legs and tail using a dark brown like this. Yeah, we have a cute little monkey now. Let's meet another day with another beautiful drawing. See you soon. Like, share and subscribe us.